Hello everyone! After we prepared our pages, now either we have a fully new pages with 0 followers or we bought pages with audience that is not interested in our content. We need to add some followers on our niche, on our pages, and the easiest way to do that by launching paid ads. So in this video I will show you how to set up your ad account on Facebook. Let's go to our screen and continue. To set up our ad account, we'll go to Google. We'll look for Ads Manager. We will click on this link. Go to Ads Manager. Will pop up this notification. We need to accept. Get started. E-commerce. Next. This is our pages. We will click again next. Add payment method. Here you put your country. If you are based on USA, you choose USA and they will give it to you by default. Next. Here you will choose either you pay with PayPal or with a credit card. Here we will fill out our card informations. I will click on save. They will ask to verify our card. I'm using the Wise app, so I will verify using my application. It will take a minute. Success, done. Next. Here we are, our ad manager on the campaign that we start to create. We will delete this campaign from here, and here we are, our dashboard of our ad manager, ready to launch ads for the growth of our pages. That was all in this video, and see you in the next one.